How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. 2004 Honda Accord. In this one, I already disconnected the negative side of the battery. We wanna do an inspection on the fuel pump. Easy to get to it. It's on the back. Three screws, three Phillips screws to remove the tap, and then we can remove the fuel pump. Someone installed this fuel pump, but they did something to the sending unit. So on the dash, it doesn't tell you how much fuel it has. I'm just gonna do an inspection, but at the same time, this is gonna be an episode where I'm gonna show you how to get to the fuel pump, remove it. I'm not gonna do like an actual installation, but it's gonna give you a guide on how to, because this is easy. You need to avoid any type of spark. Make sure that you disconnect your battery, because yeah, this thing is gonna do kaboom. Fuel pump, connector, fuel line. You just gotta remove the top part and get access to the fuel pump assembly. Clip on this side and remove the connector. Okay, guys, so after I did my inspection on the sending unit goes right here. So you gotta push up and disconnect it from here, from top, and we're gonna have to replace this one. Unfortunately, I check on the stores, I don't see any store having this, so I'm gonna have to put everything back together, and then when I get a new one, do this installation. But I checked my sending unit, that's the problem, it's not working. So that's how you remove your fuel pump. Fuel pump is inside. It's three clips, one clip in here, another one in here, another one in that side to remove the assembly, and then you can replace your fuel pump. So like I said, somebody replaced this one, they damaged the sending unit right here, so we're gonna order a new one. Once I get it, I'm gonna do the installation. But basically that's the way to see if your sending unit works. The way to do it is using a multimeter. Put your multimeter on the plug and then move up and down your sending unit. If it's sending current through the multimeter, that means that this one is good. But if you don't see any changes on your multimeter, that means that this one is bad. So that's how I check it. I know that this sending unit is bad. We gotta get a new. So if you have any questions, guys, please comment down below and I'm gonna be happy to help. In this episode we just covered the basics. It's really easy to get to the fuel pump. It's really easy to take the fuel pump and everything apart to get a new one, but in this case I just tried to show you how to remove your sending unit. And like I said, we're gonna do the installation once we get the new one, putting the new one on, and then he's gonna have a gauge, working gauge, inside the car. So I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.